Cute Samira says, you didn't even type. What is it? Rest in peace for Hina's dad. Because Cute Samira, I am not a fake person to be only on social media. What I had to do, I did it. And my connection with Hina is in my heart. And I don't need to post anything on social media to prove anything to really silly people like you. So please keep your negativity to yourself and don't bring it here. I am an individual and I take my decisions on a personal level. And what I feel and how I feel, I react accordingly. And I would always do that. And I have her dad in my prayers, I have her in my prayers, and I don't need to prove anything to silly people like you who only live your lives on social media and think just by putting a condolence on social media, you are feeling something. That's not true. When you feel, you feel. And when you feel, you reach out to the person. You don't have to prove it to the janta. Understand? God, this just makes me so angry. Anyway, people are so sick. I swear, people are so sick. Let me just address this, by the way. I lost my dad a month and a half ago, okay? And people were so quick to judge, saying, oh, you are already posting stuff and you're already, putting pictures or you're putting dance videos. I'm like, do you people even know what it takes to get over a loss? Do you know that a person doesn't need to sit like this and wonder, oh my God, I'm losing somebody? You don't do that. In Islam, you can't have a sog more than 3 days. You can't cry and be in sadness more than 3 days. You have to move on. You have to live your life. You have to carry on with love of the person that you've lost. So don't you dare, all you people who think that, oh, by posting things on, commenting on social media, that you're going to be like, oh my God, you're out there judging people. Keep your judgments to yourself and let people be the way they want to heal, the way they want to come out of things, the way they want to function. Stop judging people. And I really wanted to keep this light today, but just because of that comment, I'm so upset because I've heard enough of this shit. I've heard enough of this nonsense where people just want answers and people think you are answerable to them. Nobody's answerable to you. Trolls wanting to comment on people's pages. Mind your own business and let people be, let people heal. And I'm 100% sure people will go out there, अरे अभी तो हुआ है ना भाई, अभी तो अरे शर्म करो यार. Somebody's lost someone and only we know. People who lose people know how to deal with it, and everyone's healing process is different. Everybody's healing process is different, and you are nobody to judge that. You are nobody to judge someone's life. क्या पहना है, क्या खाया है, क्या सोया है, यही करने आते हो सोशल मीडिया पे. जियो और जीने दो. बेशर्म. Anyway.